Climate change requires urgent action. Technology-based climate intervention approaches, often called geoengineering, are increasingly being considered as part of the solution, but many of these approaches are untested, and the efficacy and the consequences are not well understood. The opportunities and risks presented by climate intervention research require guidance at the local, regional, and global level. AGU, the world's largest association of Earth and space scientists, in conjunction with a global panel of experts, has developed ethical framework principles for climate intervention research. Scientists and researchers, policymakers, ethicists, government and non-governmental agencies, and communities affected by climate change all contributed to this ethical framework and the following 5 principles. Climate intervention research should assess risks as well as benefits and should never be a substitute for emission reduction activities. Researcher teams should include social scientists, ethicists, and other experts to integrate moral concepts of justice and fairness. Research should incorporate inclusive and equitable processes for public participation and include assessment by the communities that may be affected by these activities. Public and private funding of climate intervention research and experimentation should be completely transparent. Data involved in such research should follow open access and transparency guidelines, including the FAIR principles. In addition to following all relevant laws, climate intervention researchers should approach their work incrementally, ensuring accountability at each stage. Elected councils, panels, or other bodies of public representatives can serve as effective mechanisms for this accountability. The ethical framework for climate intervention research is designed to stimulate dialogue among researchers, scientists, governments, industry funders, and the public. As research and technologies evolve, so will the guidance for engaging in related practices. These principles are presented with the idea that users will revise, refine, and expand them as appropriate. Learn more about the ethical framework principles for climate intervention research here, and engage with AGU's global coalition.